This is kind of like the California East Coast. This is Farmer's Keep.
Hawaiian roast pork with cucumber tomato salad.
If I'm looking for something good, fast, and healthy, I'm definitely coming to Farmer's Keep.
Farmer salad with barbecue beef short ribs.
I can find ingredients I wouldn't normally be able to get downtown in a fresh, inventive way.
Because Chef Josh Bullock is mashing up creativity, local farm fresh foods, and a healthy attitude.
Is there anything else like this in downtown Philly?
No, I mean, it's really an awesome option for lunch that's going to give you different food all the time.
Favorite thing that they do on the menu?
I like the chicken.
Whiskey cola chicken, beets and sweets coming up.
Whiskey, cola, chicken, what can go wrong there? Three of the best flavors in the world.
Another one of the favorites is the...
Whiskey cola chicken.
All right, give me the rundown.
We're gonna make our sauce, cola, whiskey,
That was full until you got here.
sriracha, give it a little bit of heat, honey, Dijon mustard,
Smooth Dijon. It's on his new album.
ginger powder, oil,
Healthy pepper.
Yeah.
salt.
And he's very healthy with the garlic, which I love.
There is so much flavor in that bowl.
There you go, Eric. There you go. Sorry.
I'm gonna go onto our chicken.
It's chicken thigh, so it's gonna be tender and juicy and delicious.
Sauce right on top, right in the oven. All right, let's get a little extra sauce on there. Hold on. There we go. It's imperative.
I didn't see any pear go in that. The sauce,
That's insane.
it is very insane.
This with this?
Wow. The sweet, the garlic, the chew of the kale. You're doing such a nice job on this food.
I mean, you're like a giver. You're giving these monstrous portions, delicious food. You're taking care of everybody's health.
Scratch-made, creative, eclectic. It's real deal, man.
Thank you. Whiskey cola chicken with beets and sweets up.
The chicken has a really great balance of sweet, a little spice.
And then when you get like a nice little crisp piece of kale, it's really, really good bite.